Senior Principal Magistrate Eunice Nyutu will hear the case against former Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich. This after she declined to disqualify herself from hearing a corruption case facing former Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich and 8 others. The magistrate in her ruling stated that the application for disqualification filed by the prosecution did not meet the threshold for her disqualification. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, the Senior Principal Magistrate has vowed not to allow the prosecution to hold the court at ransom in discharging its duties.
Thursday, the Milimani Law Court and Senior Principal Magistrate from the Anti-Corruption Court, Eunice Nyutu entered the courtroom to set the record straight.
Judges do not choose their cases, and litigants do not choose their judges. An application for recusal should not prevail unless it is based on substantial grounds for contending a reasonable apprehension of bias.
She has been dealing with the graft case where Henry Rotich and 8 other accused persons are charged for having misappropriated 63 billion shillings meant for the construction of Arrow and Kimmerer dams. However, the state prosecution recently applied to have her disqualify herself.
I solemnly swore to uphold justice without fear or favor and to abide by the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. The Constitution at Article 159 avails to judicial officers the presumption of impartiality.
The prosecution has so far called a total of 41 witnesses who have not tendered their evidence against Rotich and his co-accused.
Having stood her ground that she is on this graft case up to the end, the Arrow and Kimmerer Dam continues on 30th October 2023 when more witnesses will be lined up.
Meanwhile, Shanzu Principal Magistrate Yusuf Shikanda has declined to grant an order preventing the Senate Ad Hoc Committee from investigating the activities of the controversial Shakahola preacher, Paul Mackenzie.
It is not for this court to direct Senate, to speak for Senate and direct Senate on what it should or should not do.
Last week, the Danson Mungatana-led Committee of Prolification of Religious Organizations summoned Mackenzie to appear before the committee on Tuesday this week, but was not availed by police officers. Elsewhere, Brian Njagi was charged with 6 counts, among them identity theft, making a false document and uttering a false document, who spent the long weekend in police custody. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.